Yeah, we're gonna try. I'm gonna try after the breakout to go up. Oh yes, nice. Very nice. Okay, let's go. $5,000 to get. Nice. If there will be strong reaction, very strong, I mean, candle like this, probably I will close it on break even. But let's wait and see, all right? Right here you can see gold. We are about to hit full take profit. Trade is already secured for break even, and let's go. One more pips, guys. We just touched take profit. I'm not gonna close it. Yes, it's closed, guys. Nice take profit on gold. Let's have a look at the close position. Yeah, you can see over here gold, $5,000 profit. Very nice.
Start your learning journey with ALLin Traders using our convenient mobile app. Access over 100 educational materials anytime, anywhere.
All right, guys, like we always do, we need to check a microeconomic calendar to look if there is anything important in the calendar. First, we're gonna look for some high impact news. To do that, we're gonna use AI Kintel. Let's see what's going on today. So in about 20 minutes time, we got European Central Bank President Lagarde's speech. This is marked as high impact, so if you want to make any plan or if you want to trade on euro soon, we need to be aware of those news because we are using instant and founded accounts. Later on this afternoon, we got some news from United States. At 2:30 p.m. we got core PC price index, we got durable goods orders, we got GDP and personal income and personal spendings all at the same time. Okay, guys, we know what's going on in our microeconomic calendar. Let's start. So we're gonna open the checklist. All right, I'm gonna unmark everything. Microeconomic calendar, we did check that. Targets, we need to check the targets. So let's try to find the targets. First of all, I'm gonna look at 1 hour time frame to see some daily targets. On gold, we don't have any targets close by from previous day. A target from yesterday, it's already been settled, so it doesn't matter anymore. And the other target is 2,800 pips away. So it's simply too far. Outside our trading range, okay? If we look average daily range from previous day, yesterday was 1,200, 970, 580. Average trading range is about 800 pips. So I don't think they can do 3,000 pips today unless they're gonna do it during the news, but we're gonna look at that later. Okay, so we cannot use this target, but don't worry, we can move to 5 minutes time frame and we can check target from 229. And we have a target, guys, 210 pips. This is looking very nice. We got the target, we can use it. Statistics for this target are more than 80%, so we got more than 80% chances that the price will get there today. We just need to make a plan, we just need some space to open the trade, to put like stop loss in the right place. Yeah, why not? At the moment, we're gonna check some other things. At the moment, I can see we got some double top here, equal highs. Can we find out those equal highs? Yes, you can see we got equal high, so this is our double top and strong impulse. We got some double top and we might have some continuation. All right, but before we're gonna decide what to do, we need to check other things. So let's go back to checklist. Now let's have a look at highs and lows of previous day, previous week, previous months, and clusters, because those areas can stop us from getting to the target. Cluster, can block our trade because we can expect reaction when the price will get to the cluster. And the same previous day, previous week, previous month, high and low can be resistance zone for us. So we need to check that, okay? We need to make sure there's nothing on the way to our target. So previous day, it's right in this place. We can try to use it because this can be some kind of support resistance zone. And if we're gonna get here, there is a chance we're gonna drop from this previous day. What is it? Previous day low. Yeah, previous day low. What is this line here? Oh, it's some kind of liquid zone. All right, I'm gonna leave it. Just gonna change the color. That's from yesterday. Okay, doesn't matter. Next, previous week. Previous week high and low is outside our trading range because we are looking for a trade somewhere around this area, and it's quite far away, so I don't care about this. I'm gonna remove it. And previous month also outside our trading range, so we can remove it. All right, now let's have a look at the clusters. And when it comes to the clusters, gold is looking a little bit different. Usually on currency pairs we are looking for clusters no more than 5 pips, and on gold it used to be 10-15 pips, but now because of huge volatility on the instruments, things changed, okay? And 10-15 pips clusters, they don't work anymore, so we need to put like 500, which means 50 pips. I need to click on apply settings. settings and let's have a look at the clusters. And we have a clusters. Guys, look at this cluster at the target. In normal conditions, I would probably use it for reaction, but this is gold. So I don't like orders for reaction because my risk to reward is 1-to-1 and I simply don't like it on gold or crude oil. So doesn't matter for me, but we can probably try to find a place to open the trade to get to the target. Okay, so do we need this cluster? Probably not, but if I'm gonna open position, I will set my take profit few pips above target because this is the area where the price can stop. Okay, so let's remove it. And what's next? We got highs and lows, we got clusters, market structure, guys. Market structure, we can check the main market structure from 1 hour time frame, but I don't think we need to check that because since 26, so since Tuesday, the price is dropping down. So we are definitely in bearish market structure, which is good for us because we are looking for the short position, okay? And 5 minutes time frame. The moment from 5 minutes time frame we are bullish. We got some kind of trend line right here. Kind of trend line. I'm not sure if you're gonna have enough space because if the price will drop, maybe we can do it, but the stop loss will be very tight. I need to get 1 to 2 risk to reward, so I'm not sure if we can do that. Maybe yes, maybe not. Not sure if we're gonna have enough space. So probably it's gonna be better if the price will go a little bit higher, so we're gonna have more space to go down and more space to go down. Support resistance zone, exponential moving average. Make sure when you open the position the price needs to close under exponential moving average, so we're gonna check that later. And trend line we got on the chart. Do we have any zones we can use? Probably not. Just this zone right here. This is previous day low, so this can be kind of upward resistance zone and we can try to use it because previous day highs and lows, they work like that. Not every time, but we can expect that. So if we're gonna, let's say, bounce again from here, from this trend line, we're gonna get to this support resistance zone and we're gonna have some reaction. Look, we're gonna have more space for our stop loss. Of course, we can look for break of market structure from 5 minutes time frame, so I'm gonna also look for that. I'm gonna make sure the market structure is bearish here. After the retest, if we're gonna open the position, take profit like this, few pips before, and stop loss can be like this. It would be great to put the stop loss above this area, but I think we should be okay. So something like that. Let me check one more thing. We got access to volume levels. Maybe we can use one of volume levels. No, not really. Okay, so let's stick to this plan. From here, I'm worried about space, because if the candle's gonna be like that, it's not gonna be enough space to open the trade unless you do it from 1 minute time frame, but you need to test it, guys. For me, probably not enough space, but anyway, we can look for the price to go higher, and if we're gonna have some reaction here from this place, we're gonna have plenty of space to open this trade. Okay, so let's save this plan. This is gold. Alright guys, I don't want to look for any more ASAP targets. We can check smart money concept right now. Let me just measure this impulse. Yeah, guys. This is 38.2 from this impulse right here. So basically we can also look for probably some kind of channel here. Something similar, but let's leave it for now. Maybe I'm gonna look for that trade, but if I do it, guys, I don't want to confuse you, but I can do it only from 1 minute time frame. Because we had double top, market structure is bearish, so after the breakout I can look for small retest. In this case, probably I'm gonna be able to make it 1 to 2 risk to reward. From higher time frame, from 5 minutes time frame, probably not. So I'm gonna save it because I'm gonna look at this from 1 minute time frame. I do look for some setups from 1 minute time frame, so especially on gold. So maybe we're gonna have a chance. Okay, I'm gonna look for that later. Gold, we might have a chance in the second. Let me just prepare the account just in case we want to open the trade. At the moment, there's still a chance because we are moving in some kind of rotation channel. There is a chance we're gonna bounce here and we're gonna go up to this area, maybe. And who knows? I know we don't have that in our mentoring program, but sometimes I do setups like this. And last time I opened it on live trading session and I hit stop loss, but that's okay. I got some statistics of the setups and they are working very nice. And maybe I'm gonna try to open the long position here because there is a chance the price will bounce right now from this kind of rotation channel. We didn't make a proper pullback of this impulse, so can try to look for a long position here or short one. If you're gonna break through, retest it, can try to go short. This is not smart money, okay? This is not smart money. Okay, what about gold? Preparing the platform, guys. Try to prepare the platform, ready to go. Risk is calculated. Yeah, we're gonna try. I'm gonna try after the breakout to go up. Oh, yes. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Very nice. We need to just look if it's not fake breakout. Okay, let's go. $5,000 to get. Trade is open. Hopefully it's not fake breakouts. Nice. Okay, so the plan for this was simple, guys, using 1 minute time frame. Why? Because I know we got target down the bottom, but we had strong impulse today and the pullback didn't reach yet the 38.2. Because we didn't reach that 38.2, we still have a chance. We got some spike move, we got some channel. I know we are usually using this to go down for continuation, and probably we're gonna do that. We're gonna try to use this target, because if we're gonna reach this level, I'm gonna get my profit. I'm gonna look for short position. But this pattern, like I said, I think 2 weeks ago, I've opened a trade like this and I hit stop loss. But that's okay, it happens, guys, it happens. Hopefully today is gonna be take profit. So it's quite simple setup, using this kind of channel to go up. And from the top of the channel, we can look for some short positions. So sometimes I'm able to catch one move up and one move down. So 2 trades in one channel I can get. So hopefully this is gonna work today. Small profit, $1,000 at the moment. We don't need any big move. We just need few pips, guys. The only place that can stop us probably is this double top here, because this is kind of strong support resistance zone. So we need to watch for that. If there will be strong reaction, very strong, I mean, candle like this, probably I will close it on break even. But let's wait and see. All right. So the trade is open. 1 to 2 risk to reward, and hopefully this is gonna work. Okay, guys, quick update about our transaction from morning session. Right here you can see gold. We are about to hit full take profit. Take profit set for $5,000. Trade is already secured for break even, and let's go. One more pips, guys. We just touched take profit. I'm not gonna close it. Yes, it's closed, guys. You can see this trade plan was made during our morning session. The trade was open during our morning session and we got full take profit on gold. Now we can focus on the other direction, because also we had a plan for gold for short. So we can have a look at that. And yeah, nice take profit on gold. So yes, now we can focus on the other trade. Let's have a look at the close position. Yeah, you can see over here gold, $5,000 profit. Very nice. Hopefully the rest of the day will be also so good as the morning. And we still got a few other plans, so hopefully we're gonna be able to use it. If not, next trading session coming up this afternoon, so we're gonna look for some more trades like that. I will see you later. Take care, guys.
Start your learning journey with ALLin Traders using our convenient mobile app. Access over 100 educational materials anytime, anywhere.